Okay, apparently we have a tiger shark on the line here.
Oh, fuck. No. No, probably.
Oh, man. Looks like we lost the tiger shark. Maybe he's on this one. No? It's Mahor?
Yeah.
It's Mahor? Okay. Because we peligroso.
Yeah.
In El Bota? No. This is... Okay. So we lost the tiger shark, which is good.
No looking?
And, yeah, we lost the tiger shark. We're gonna check bait. That's good we didn't bring him in the boat, because, you know how things go when you get tiger sharks in the boat. All right. So we're gonna, rebait and get on with the next episode. All right. All right, we got Eric. He's caught an atun. Oh, Jesus Christ. Millennia. No problem. He thinks that pesca is atun? Atun negro?
Sí.
No problema?
No.
All right. You eat. Comida? Bien?
Bien.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, buen atún.
Oh, man. It's a good one.
Bonita.
It's a-
Diente de perro.
Oh.
Dog.
Dog teeth?
Sí.
Sí. Muy peligroso.
Sí. Muy rico.
Morico?
Rico.
Rico.
Sí.
Rico. All right.